He has freedom. He has opportunity. He has technology. Yet he is more lost than ever. The modern American man is living in a paradox. Born in the wealthiest country in history, with access to limitless tools, knowledge, and resources. And yet he feels empty, directionless, and weak. Where did it all go wrong? And more importantly, how can he reclaim his power? This video is not an attack. It's a wake-up call. Because the world is starving for strong men. And America has the men, it just needs them to wake up. Let's face it. The American man is suffering. Not from poverty. Not from war. But from something deeper. A loss of identity, purpose, and inner strength. He scrolls. He watches. He escapes into fantasy, politics, porn, and comfort. He's been told his masculinity is toxic. That ambition is dangerous. That his instincts are something to apologize for. And so he numbs himself. With entertainment. With substances. With shallow relationships. And with silence. The American man has stopped fighting for himself. Once upon a time, the American man was a builder. A protector. A leader. He built homes. Started families. Fought wars for freedom. He was the embodiment of strength with morality. Rough hands, clear mind, quiet integrity. But today, he's been reduced to a paycheck, a joke, a burden, a privilege to be dismantled. He's either hyper-aggressive or passive and invisible. Either angry and lost or depressed and silent. He doesn't know what he is allowed to be anymore. And while the world argues over gender and roles, the American man sits quietly in the corner, disconnected from his roots. So what do you do when the world tries to define you? You return to the only power that matters. The power over your mind. The Stoics knew this thousands of years ago. Epictetus, born a slave, became a master of the inner world. Marcus Aurelius, the emperor of Rome, wrote in silence every night, reminding himself that his mind must not be ruled by emotion, lust, or fear. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius. This is what the American man must relearn. Not to be angry, not to blame, but to master his inner world. Comfort has become a prison. Easy food, easy pleasure, easy distraction. But the Stoics warned us. It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more, who is poor. Seneca. American men have been conditioned to avoid pain at all costs. But in avoiding pain, they avoid growth. They avoid discipline. They avoid truth. Every swipe, every indulgence, every shortcut is a withdrawal from their inner bank of masculinity. More American men today are single, depressed, and isolated than ever before. They live alone. They work in silence. They bottle emotions. And then, one day, they explode. Or disappear. This isn't weakness. This is pain with no compass. And here's what most won't say. The cure is not outside. It's not in a woman. It's not in a job. It's not in a movement. It's within. That's the Stoic path. To go inward. To journal. To reflect. To train. To learn that you are not your feelings, you are your response to them. So what must the American man do? Silence the noise. Turn off the endless news, porn, social media. Start hearing your own voice again. Rebuild the body. A weak body is a weak mind. Lift, walk, train, sweat, every day. Reclaim your discipline. Wake up early. Set goals. Follow structure. Build your castle brick by brick. Reconnect to silence. Meditate. Reflect. Journal. Learn how to be alone without being lonely. Stop begging for love. Women are not the reward. Your self-respect is, serve something higher. A man needs a mission. Something sacred. Something bigger than his desires. You are not broken. You are not weak. But you are asleep. And the world won't save you. The government won't fix you. Society won't restore you. Only you can do that. Be like the Stoics. Live by virtue. Master yourself. Train your mind. Honor your body. Respect your time. And walk the world with quiet power. The American man is not dead. He is dormant. And if he wakes up, nothing will stop him. If this message hit you deep, share it. Because there are millions of men like you, wandering in silence, looking for strength, looking for truth. And it begins here. Subscribe for more, and walk with honor.